Welcome back to my channel. The 2026 Toyota Sienna steps in with a bold presence that instantly challenges what a minivan is supposed to look like. Its wide stance, sharp contours, and confident proportions give it a modern, premium feel that stands out the moment it hits the road. Up front, slim LED headlights cut sharply across the design, paired with a wide, aggressive grille that adds serious attitude. The sculpted hood and sporty bumper details create an SUV-inspired face that feels powerful rather than practical. From the sides, smooth flowing lines stretch from nose to tail, making the body look sleek and aerodynamic. Stylish alloy wheels, dark accent trims, and clean sliding door integration keep the design sharp while hiding everyday convenience. Inside, the 2026 Sienna carries that same confident energy with a cabin that feels more like a luxury crossover than a traditional minivan. A clean driver-focused dashboard, large infotainment display, and high-quality materials create a calm yet upscale environment. Ambient lighting, comfortable seating for long drives, and smart storage solutions make every journey feel intentional. Designed not just to transport a family, but to elevate the experience of being together on the road. Hit like and subscribe button if you like our content. The rear design continues the impact with redesigned LED taillights that widen the look and add a refined glow at night. A subtle roof spoiler and clean bumper styling ensure the Sienna looks just as striking when driving away. Practical features blend seamlessly into the design, including power sliding doors, roof rails for extra cargo, tinted rear glass, and a hands-free power liftgate. Everything feels smart, effortless, and built for real life. The 2026 Toyota Sienna proves that family vehicles no longer need to be boring. With bold lighting, athletic lines, and SUV-like confidence, this Sienna doesn't just move people, it makes a statement. Thanks for watching Trend Hub. Please like and subscribe to my channel.